We all take care of our hair, we take care of our teeth. So to take care of your skin, I think that's a really great way to age gracefully. And I think growing old is wonderful, but I don't want to look old and scowly, so.
What makes MD Aesthetics unique is that we have the ability to offer the quality and safety of a first-rate medical clinic, tempered with the relaxing environment and the service quality that you would find in a high-end spa. MD Aesthetics is almost 10 years old. We've started with doing injectables and Botox and fillers, and then have grown into a full-spectrum laser and skin rejuvenation center. What gives me the most joy in what I do every day is seeing the patients not only look great, but seeing how it makes them feel and having them feel really great about themselves.
I was dealing with some acne flare-ups and it was making me really self-conscious. I had really lost a lot of my confidence. It was hard for me to go to work some days. It was hard for me to even go out on my days off. There was moments when I didn't even want to take my makeup off around my husband. I like that when I came, and every time I've come, everyone's always known my name and they've always made it really personal. I've always come in, and maybe the times I have come in, I've been upset because I've had a flare-up or something's going on with my skin, and every time I come in, I felt better afterwards. It always made me feel like I'm not a bad person for coming and wanting to care about how I look.
What really gives me a lot of satisfaction in what I do is actually seeing the effect that it has in people's lives. I've always been interested in the skin. I've always been interested in aging. And I've always been interested in how you can make a big change in somebody's life by making them feel better about themselves. Dr. Milkovich and I have actually been practice partners for 20 years. And we work really closely together. We're always bouncing ideas off each other. I think it's really one thing that separates us from a lot of other practices. The whole team has a mission. And the mission is to provide top-notch results, and really results that are tailored to the individual, to that person's particular goals, but also to make sure that every step of the way, the whole experience for patients is thoroughly satisfying. We are experts in non-surgical facial and skin rejuvenation treatments. We do treatments like injectable treatments, which includes Botox and fillers. We do a lot of laser treatments, which is really good for treating complexion, texture, changes that occur over a person's lifetime. We also have a lot of body treatments. So we do treatments like cool sculpting, which is great for localized fat reduction and for slimming contours, and to really help people with concerns about body bulges and things like that. We have multiple skincare lines, and they're all medical grade. The skincare that we offer is truly therapeutic. It's meant to actually achieve results in people's skin. We use our medical grade skincare to actually not only deal with a person's issues with their skin, but they're a great complement to some of the other services that we offer. They're great for maintaining results that we get from our other services, but also there's a really big aspect of preventative treatments. It's great that we can make a person look wonderful, look youthful, look vibrant. But it's even more of an important aspect if we can actually make a person feel better about themselves, and in turn what that does for the rest of their life.
I refer friends all the time to MD Aesthetics for the professionalism, the fact that you have a doctor working with you as opposed to someone that isn't a professionally trained person. You also have the benefit of great staff. They've got the follow-up products. They have any number of treatments that you could ask for. It's a one-stop shop for everything that you want.